KSPN stock, Caspian Holdings Inc., is rallying within a longer term bearish trend, driving its MACD above its signal line. Let's see that here. Yes, the MACD has just crossed the signal line on its daily chart. However, the shares are below a declining 200-day moving average, signifying that the dominant trend remains lower. It's also lagging the S&P 500. We haven't found any news behind this rally. You can see it's a 104% gain. It wasn't in the pre-market session, it's just in the regular session, so it's providing market participants a good opportunity. It's providing everybody, a lot of market participants, the opportunity to get involved in the stock. We can see there, over there's no news. It hasn't even been halted at all, so everything is bullish here. 200-minute moving average strongly bullish. All the moving averages are strongly bullish. But momentum is improving based on this 14-period slow stochastic oscillator. RSI is above 50, indicating that buyers still are very much in control of things, even though sellers have made their presence known. So based on all that is going on here, let's see whether we can estimate a target for the stock. But I don't think it's going to be an ambitious one. I don't really think it's going to be an ambitious one. So let's take this price of 5.32 and take this low of 5.04. It might be 5.32 minus 5.04. that will give us 0.28. Multiply that by our favorite extension level, Fibonacci extension level, 2.618, will give us an increment of 0.733. You add that to the current price of 5.125. We have a target of 5.85. Let's see, 5.85. Okay, that's higher than what it has achieved in this session. 5.85. That's our target. So let's see. And yes, volume, it has a reasonable amount of volume. 15.039 million shares have crossed the tape, and it's still counting. Let's see whether it's optionable. It's not optionable. It's also it has a very low float. It has a low float. You can see that the folks at Charles Schwab are indicating that the float is, shares outstanding is 2.5 million, and obviously this is usually more than the float, so we are talking about something really small. So low float stock, rallying within a longer term bearish trend. So in the short term, we have that 5.85 target. So we can also see what we can make of what's going on here, what has happened of late based on its chart. Okay, let's see. In the very short term, let's take this peak of the 5th of April, and from here we can plot some projections and see. Very short term projections. Let's see. So you can see that based on what we have done, you can see 5.85. It looks like based on all of that, you can see based on what we have just done, we have a target of the next target also happens to be close to what we just computed. So that is that next target or next projection is $5.81. So for some reason we have just been able to get something that we have been able to validate that calculation, that computation. So the next one after that is 6.66. So I think we're going to run with this and see how things go. So next target 5.81, after that 5.85, next one is 6.66. Would it get there? What is behind this rally we are looking at right now? We can't rule out the low float that it has. Let's also see the short interests of KSPN. It's only 1.36, 1.3%. That's not a huge one, so we can't we have to totally rule out a short squeeze this time around. So our target's 5.81, 5.85, 5.81, 5.85, 6.66. Will it get there? What's the likelihood of that happening? Okay, so see what you make of KSPN stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.